Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Planner for recurring tasks. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to planner.cloud.microsoft. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This gives you access to all your plans and allows you to manage tasks across different projects and teams. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation panel with several options. Click on My Plans to view all the plans you're currently part of or have created. This section displays all your active project boards and workspaces in one convenient location. From the list of plans that appears, select the specific plan where you want to create your recurring task. This could be a team project board, a personal planning workspace, or any collaborative plan you're managing. Clicking on it will open that particular plan and show you all its buckets and existing tasks. Once you're inside your chosen plan, you'll see different buckets organizing your tasks. Buckets are essentially categories that help you group related tasks together. Under the bucket where you want to add your new task, click the Add Task button. This will open a quick input field where you can start creating your task. Now enter a descriptive name for your task in the text field that appears. This should clearly indicate what needs to be done. You also have the option to set a due date if you need a deadline for this task. Additionally, if you're working with a team, you can assign someone to handle this task right from the start. These details help keep everyone organized and accountable. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click the Add Task button again to create the task. Your task will now appear in the bucket you selected, but we're not done yet because we need to make it recurring. Click directly on the task you just created. This will open a detailed side panel that displays all the information and settings available for that particular task. This is where you can access advanced options and customize how the task behaves. In the Task Details panel, scroll down until you find the Repeat option. This is the feature that allows you to transform a regular one-time task into a recurring task that automatically regenerates based on your chosen schedule. It's incredibly useful for tasks that need to be completed on a regular basis. Under the Repeat option, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to reveal all the available recurring patterns. Microsoft Planner offers several preset options to match different scheduling needs. You can choose from daily if the task needs to be done every single day, weekdays if it should only occur Monday through Friday, weekly for tasks that repeat once a week, monthly for tasks that happen once a month, yearly for annual tasks, or custom if you need a more specific recurring pattern that doesn't fit the standard options. Select whichever option best fits your task schedule, and your task will immediately become a recurring task that automatically creates new instances based on the pattern you selected. And that's it. You've successfully set up a recurring task in Microsoft Planner. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.